So let us start exercise 3.2. Question number 1. Write the answers of each of the following questions. So you have to write the answers. Okay. No need to calculate anything. Write directly. You can write the answers. First question. What is the name of horizontal and vertical lines drawn to determine position of any point in Cartesian plane? So this is a Cartesian plane. We can draw two lines. This is horizontal and this is vertical. You have to write the name of this horizontal line and vertical line. What is the horizontal line? This is x-axis. This is y-axis. So the answers are horizontal line is x-axis and vertical line is y-axis. So answer is x-axis and y-axis. Next one. What is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? So these two lines formed four parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So already I told you what is these names. These parts are called quadrants. So the answer is quadrants. Third one. Write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. One line is this, second line is this. These two lines are intersecting middle. So this point we called it as origin. Okay, first answer x-axis and y-axis. Second answer quadrants. Third answer the meeting point, that is origin. Fourth one. See the following figure or write the answers. So figure which is given in your textbook. Okay. So this is the figure which is given in your textbook. You have to write the answers. The first question, the coordinate of B. What is the coordinate of B? Where is the point B? B is here, correct? So you should check where is X and where is Y. So you should write the X point first and Y point second. So X, this is the X axis. B is meeting here. So X point is -5. This is Y axis. B is meeting here, that is 2. So B point B is, first you should write X axis point -5, comma, next Y axis point 2. So the B point is -2 comma -5 comma 2 is the answer. Next question, second part. The coordinate of C. What is the coordinate of C? C is here. Check x-axis. This is x-axis, that is 5. Y-axis, this is -5. You should take the negative. If it is negative, you should take negative also. So first I am writing x, that is +5. Next y point, that is -5. So the coordinate of C is 5 comma -5. The point identified by, next question, the point identified by the coordinate -3 comma -5. Where is -3 comma -5? -3 comma -5 means it should come here, third quadrant. Both are negative. -3, that is x-axis, and -5, it should comes on y-axis. So -3 comes here and -5 comes here. The meeting point is E. So the point identified by the coordinate -3 and -5 are point E. Answer is point E. Fourth one. The point identified by the coordinate 2 comma -4. X-axis +2 and y-axis -4. So +2 -4, meeting point is G. So the point identified by the coordinate 2 comma 4 is point G. This is the point. Okay. Next question, part 5. The abscissa by the point D. Where is D? Point D is this one. This point is x-axis 6, y-axis 1, 2. So you have to write abscissa. What is abscissa? Only you can write the x value. X value is 6. So the answer is abscissa is equal to 6. Next question, part 6. The coordinate of the point H. Where is H? The point H is here. So the points are, first x point -5. H is meeting here, -5, comma. Y point is y is meeting here, minus 3. So the question is not asking about point, the question is asking about the ordinate of the point h. Ordinate means we have to write only y point. So what is the ordinate answer? Ordinate is equal to y value. What is y value? Second one, minus 3. So ordinate is equal to minus 3. Next part, seventh part of the question. The ordinate of the point L. Where is L? L is mentioned here. So you have to write the point L. Check here, the point L is meeting on y-axis, but here the x value is 0. So the point L, x value 0 and y value 5. So the point L is 0, 5. Next question, last part, the coordinates of the point M. The coordinates of the point M. Where is M? You will get the point M here. Here x-axis is going like this. So x point is minus 3, comma. Next, y value is like going like this and it is 0. So minus 3 comma y value 0. So the answer is minus 3 comma 0. M value x-axis minus 3, y-axis 0. So the answer is equal to minus 3 comma 0 is the answer. Last answer, coordinate of the point M is minus 3 comma 0.